Hello friends, I am Vaishali. Today I will explain you next important topic of arithmetic progression, that is position. Okay, position का मीनिंग क्या होता है? पोजीशन का मतलब होता है प्लेस. इसका मीनिंग है हमें प्लेस बताना है. ओके, in a previous lecture I already explained you sequence, so now I will explain you position of each element in that sequence. Okay, I already told you each element is said to be terms. जो भी हमारे एलिमेंट सीक्वेंस में होते हैं उसे हम टर्म्स बोलते थे. तो आज मैं उन्हें उनका पोजीशंस कैसे डिनोट करते हैं वो बताऊंगी. ओके, इट इज डिनोटेड बाय टी इन अ पोजीशन. टी स्टैंड फॉर टर्म्स. ओके, एंड इन अ सफिक्स यू विल राइट पोजीशन और प्लेस ऑफ दैट नंबर. If you will see first example, there is a sequence of 4 terms or 4 numbers. अगर आप फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल्स देखोगे तो यहाँ पे 4 नंबर्स का एक सीक्वेंस है. ओके, सो आई विल डिनोट ऑल पोजिशंस. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट पोजिशन? दैट इज टी. बट 4 फर्स्ट पे है, फर्स्ट प्लेस पे, इसलिए टी इन अ सफिक्स में 1. पोजीशन फॉर 3 इज योर टी सफिक्स में 2. टी फॉर टर्म एंड 2, दैट इज प्लेस ऑफ द नंबर 3 और पोजीशन ऑफ अ नंबर 3. This I will denote it with the help of T3. Okay, and this is my T4. How 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth place. So I will write T in a suffix 4. Okay. Now see second examples. तो सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल में अगर हम लोग देखेंगे, हमें डिनोट करना है नंबर्स को और टर्म्स को. तो हम लोग कैसे डिनोट करेंगे? फर्स्ट वी विल राइट स्मॉल टी. ओके, ये हमारी फर्स्ट प्लेस है इसलिए T1. ये है T2, ये है हमारा T3 एंड ये है हमारा T सफिक्स में 4. ओके, नाउ थिंक अबाउट थर्ड एग्जाम्पल्स. अगेन you have to denote the position. So how will you denote it? Positions कैसे find करोगे? Again small t. Place कौन सा है? First place है इसलिए t in a suffix 1. t in a suffix 2. t in a suffix 3. t in a suffix 4. Okay, तो कोई भी अगर आपको पोजीशन बोलेगा डिनोट करने के लिए, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर स्मॉल टी एंड सफिक्स में जो भी उनका प्लेस होता है वो हम नोटेशन लिखेंगे. ओके, एंड यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ इज देयर, ऑलवेज योर फर्स्ट टर्म दैट इज T1 इज डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल a. सो a is equals to T1. Okay, what is your A in this sequence? That is your 4. Why? Because that is your T1. जो भी आपका फर्स्ट प्लेस होता है वो आप डिनोट करते हो स्मॉल a से. Okay, this is also your small a. Sometime in a question they not mention first term, they directly denoted with the help of symbol, that is small a. कुछ क्वेश्चंस में फर्स्ट टर्म नहीं लिखा होता है, डायरेक्टली स्मॉल ए लिखा होता है. तो आपको ये समझ जाना है जब भी स्मॉल ए की बात हो रही है इसका मीनिंग है वहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म का रोल है. सेकेंड थिंग इज कॉमन डिफरेंस. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज कॉमन डिफरेंस, हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट एंड व्हाट इज द नोटेशन फॉर इट. नाउ सी, इफ यू विल सी दिस एग्जाम्पल, it's mean you have to find the difference between this. Okay, difference between this and difference between this. Okay. Now you have to find difference between this. So how I will find? Always this minus this. So this will become 3 minus 4. That is my minus 1. 2 minus 3. So that is my minus 1. 1 minus 2. Again that is my minus 1. Okay. So this is my difference. When I will say this is common difference, whenever my all these values are same or constant, then I will say this is my common difference, and I will denote it with the help of D. Okay. So next topic is arithmetic progression. When you will say this sequence is your arithmetic progression, whenever your difference is कांस्टेंट, जब भी तुम्हारा डिफरेंस फाइंड करते हो और वो सेम आता है, उसे हम बोलते हैं अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. ओके. व्हाट इज द नोटेशन फॉर अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन? दैट इज योर AP. If your arithmetic progression is not clear, then don't worry, I will explain you with the help of some other example also. Okay. Now I will explain you some examples which is given in exercise 3.1. Okay. So let's start the exercises. 3.1. Question number 1. Which of the following sequences are AP? Okay. इसका मीनिंग क्या है कि जो तुम्हें सीक्वेंस दिए हैं क्वेश्चन में, उसमें से कौन से सीक्वेंस तुम्हारे AP हैं, मीन्स अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है. ओके. सो इफ दे आर AP, फाइंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस. इसका मीनिंग ये है, फर्स्ट पहले तुमको क्या चेक करना है? AP है. अगर वो AP है तो तुम्हें कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है. ओके. सो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Whenever question is given to you and you have to find AP, first step is you have to write all the positions. So position in this sequence, first position क्या है तुम्हारी? 2. Okay. And you will denote it with the help of small a. Second position is your 4. This third position is your 6. Fourth position is your 8. Okay. So this is your first step. Now second step, you have to calculate the difference. How you will calculate the difference? Always you will subtract T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3. जो भी हमारा सेकेंड एलिमेंट होता है माइनस फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, जो भी हमारा सेकेंड एलिमेंट होता है माइनस फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, थर्ड एलिमेंट माइनस सेकेंड एलिमेंट, फोर्थ एलिमेंट माइनस थर्ड एलिमेंट. ओके. सो T2 वैल्यू इज योर 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is your 2. T3 6 minus T2 value is your 4. That is again your 2. T4 value is 8 minus T3 is your 6. Again it is your 2. So if you will see, difference between two consecutive term is constant. So my D value will be 2. This, it's mean given sequence is your AP. Why AP? Because there is a common difference 2. That's why you will write AP. Suppose here it is 2, here it is 3 and here again it is 2. Then this is not your AP because you are not able to find the common difference. Hope so you are clear with this. Yeah. Now second question, 2 5 by 2, 3 7 by 3, and again you have to check is it a AP. So first of all you will write all the positions. So T1 is your 2, T2 is your 5 upon 2, T3 is your 3 and T4 is your 7 upon 3. Now just write the values T2 minus T1. So 5 upon 2 minus 2. Now you will cross multiply 5. Nothing is in denominator, so there will be 1. 5 into 1 will be 5. This minus sign as it is. 2 into 2 will become your 4 upon multiplication in a denominator. So 2 into 1 is your 2. 5 minus 4 will become 1 upon 2. Now T3 minus T2. T3 is your 3 minus T2 is your 5 upon 2. Again you will cross multiply. Nothing is in your denominator, so write 1. 3 into 2 is your 6 minus 1 into 5 is your 5 upon 1 into 2 is your 2. Okay, so 6 minus 5 क्या हो गया आपका 1 हो गया. So 1 upon 2. अभी हमें क्या सॉल्व करना है, T4 माइनस T3 करना है. T4 की वैल्यू आपकी क्या है 7 upon 3. ओके, एंड T3 की वैल्यू क्या है आपकी, दैट इज 3. अगेन क्या करोगे आप, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करोगे. ओके, नथिंग इन अ डिनोमिनेटर, सो यू विल राइट 1. 7 इंटू 1 क्या हो गया आपका 7 माइनस 3 इंटू 3 क्या हो गया 9 अपॉन 3 इंटू 1 क्या हो गया आपका 3. ओके, सो 7 माइनस 9 आपका क्या आंसर होगा -2 अपॉन 3. ओके, so if you will see here, T2 minus T1 is 1 upon 2, T3 minus T2 is 1 upon 2 and T4 minus T3 is your -2 upon 3. 1 upon 2 not equals to -2 upon 3. So you will write difference between two consecutive term is not a constant. Constant. It's mean therefore given sequence is not AP. Why it is not AP? क्योंकि तुमने जो भी डिफरेंस फाइंड किया है वो कांस्टेंट नहीं है. नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन. In a third question, sequence that is given to you is -10, -6, -2 and 2. Okay, first step, again you have to write all positions. So T1, T2, T3, T4. Okay, already you denoted all position with the help of this notations. So T2 minus T1, I just written the values of T2 and T1, -6 and -10. This minus sign is as it is. Okay, so -6, this minus will become my +10. -6 plus 10, my answer is 4. Sign of bigger number, that is your 10 with positive sign, so your answer is +4. T3 minus T2, so -2 minus of -6, again this minus will become your +6. so -2 plus 6 आपका आंसर क्या होगा 4. T4 minus T3, T4 की वैल्यू क्या थी 2, ये माइनस साइन एज इट इज रखो. T3 की वैल्यू आपकी क्या है -2, सो आंसर क्या होगा 2 माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाएगा प्लस. So 2 plus this 2, तो 2 plus 2 आपका आंसर क्या होता है 4 होता है. इट्स मीनिंग यहाँ पे भी आपका 4 है, यहाँ भी आपका 4 है, यहाँ भी आपका क्या है 4 है. So you will write difference between two consecutive term is constant. Okay, why constant? क्योंकि आपकी सभी वैल्यूज क्या थी सेम. Therefore common difference, that is D, you will write 4. Okay, given, it's mean given sequence is your AP. Okay, you are able to find the values of a common difference, then it is said to be AP. जब भी आपके डिफरेंसेस की वैल्यूज कांस्टेंट हो जाती है, जब भी आप डिफरेंस फाइंड करते हो, अगर उसका आंसर सेम आता है, एग्जैक्टली सेम, तो वो सीक्वेंस आपका क्या होता है? AP. इट्स मीन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. ओके, now we will go for fourth question, that is 0.3, 0.33 and 0.333. so T1 क्या हो गया? 0.3, T2 0.33, T3 is our 0.333. again we will find the differences. so T2 minus T1, just I substituted the values. so 0.33 minus 0.3. some students have the doubt when they have to subtract and numbers are in decimal form. so I will explain you this here. 0.33 माइनस 0.3 करना है आपको, तो हमेशा याद रखो जब भी ऐसा होगा ना, तो डेसिमल का प्लेस आपका सेम होना चाहिए, उसमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं आना चाहिए. ओके, सो 0.33 डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल, सो 0.3. ओके, so 3 minus nothing is there, it's mean 0 is there. 3 minus 0 is your 3. 3 minus 3 is your 0. decimal you will copy as it is. 0 minus 0 is your 0. okay, now see for T3 minus T2, T3 value is 0.333 minus 0.33. so I will write again 0.333 minus 0.33. please take it as a revision. this decimal position should not change. जो decimals के positions है वो change कभी नहीं होना चाहिए. तो 0.33 है, यहाँ पे nothing is there, यहाँ पे कोई भी values नहीं है, इसलिए आप यहाँ पे 0 लिखिए. 3 minus 0 क्या होगा? 3. 3 minus 3 क्या होगा आपका? 0. 3 minus 3 again 0. जो डेसिमल है उसे एज इट इज कॉपी कीजिए. 0 minus 0 is your 0. okay, so your this answer is 0.003. okay, your this answer is 0.03. so these two values are not same, so you will write difference between, difference दो टर्म्स के बीच में क्या है आपका? नॉट अ कांस्टेंट. इसका मीनिंग क्या है कि वो आपके सेम नहीं है. गिवन सीक्वेंस इज नॉट एन AP. ओके, होप सो यू आर क्लियर विद दिस. ओके, सो नाउ fifth question. sequence which is given for a fifth question is 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. so this is your sequence. firstly you will write all the values of position, that is T1 0, T2 minus 4, T3 minus 8, T4 minus 12. so T2 minus T1, now you have to find all these values. minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4. T3 minus T2 minus 8 minus minus 4. so minus 8 plus 4. minus 8 plus 4 will be your 4. sign of the greater number is your minus, so minus 4. T4 minus T3 minus 12. okay, this minus minus will become your plus 8. okay, minus plus minus, so 12 minus 8 is your 4, but sign of the bigger number, that is 12, sign is negative. okay, so if you will see, difference of these terms are minus 4. okay, so difference between two consecutive term is constant. क्यों कांस्टेंट? क्योंकि सभी जो तुम्हारे डिफरेंस थे वो -4 है, एग्जैक्टली सेम है. So value of common difference, that is small d, is -4. Okay, therefore given sequence is your AP. Okay, now sixth question. Given sequence is -1/5, -1/5 and -1/5. Dot indicates there are many numbers. T1 -1/5, T2 -1/5 and T3 again -1/5. So for finding is this sequence is AP or not, second step we have to find the differences. So T2 minus T1, putting the values of T2 and T1, I will copy this -1/5 as it is. Minus minus will become my plus 1/5. -1/5 plus 1/5. Denominator is same, so I will write only once. Okay, -1 plus 1. -1 plus 1 is 0/5. 0 upon anything is your 0. Okay, so again exactly same, -1/5. This minus minus will become your plus 1/5. -1/5 plus 1/5, exactly. So directly you can write 0. So your common difference, why I am saying common difference, because the differences are exactly same. So difference between two consecutive term is constant. Therefore common difference small d value is 0. It's mean given sequence is your AP, arithmetic progression. So now 7th question is there. Again given sequence is your 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay, so first step I will write all the values of T1, T2, T3 and T4. T1 is 3, T2 is 3 plus root 2, T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 and T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay, so in second step I will find all the differences, that is T2 minus T1. T2 is your 3 plus root 2 minus T1 is your 3. Okay, so plus 3 minus 3 will become your 0, plus root 2 you will copy as it is. So 0 plus root 2 is your root 2. Okay, second T3 minus T2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. So you have to simplify this. If outside the bracket you have minus sign, so plus 3 will become minus 3, plus root 2 will become minus root 2. Okay, again this 3 and this is minus 3, so plus 3 and minus 3 will become your 0, plus root 2 I will take it as a common, so root 2, what will remain, that is 2, and here nothing is there, it's mean 1 is there, so 2 and 1 with negative sign, so 2 minus 1, my answer will be 2 minus 1 is my 1 and this root 2 as it is. Okay, now T4 value is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus T3 value is 3 plus 2 root 2. After negative sign, your sign will be changed. So minus 3 minus 2 root 2. This plus 3 minus 3 again 0. Okay. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Again you will take root 2 as a common. So what will remain here? 3 with plus sign and 2 with minus sign. Okay, so your answer is root 2 as it is. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so if you will see, value of the differences is root 2. Okay, that is same for each difference. Its meaning difference between two consecutive term is constant. Okay, क्यों constant? क्योंकि तुम्हारी सभी values क्या थी? Same. Therefore small d is your root 2. Its mean given sequence is your AP. Okay, hope so you are clear with your doubts. Then also if you have any doubts, you can ask me in your comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. And one more thing, in a question 1 of exercise 3.1 there are 8 questions. I solved only 7 questions. One question I give you as a exercise, please solve it. It is very trivial and very easy question. So if you have any doubt in that question also, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.